What's up guys, my name is Dom, welcome back to my channel. If it looks a little bit different, it's because I'm filming on my phone today. I did forget my camera in Omaha. I'm sorry, you'll just have to deal with it. Today we are gonna be changing the turn signals on my Jeep Wrangler back here. One of them's cracked, the other one's fine, but I'm still gonna replace it with brand new ones. These are genuine Mopar turn signals that I got. I got them for about $37 for the set, and I'll make sure to include the link down below. And with that, let's go ahead and get into the install. As you can see, this one's cracked and this one's fine, but we're still gonna replace both of them. To get there, you just have to go back here and you can see there's the plug for it right there. You start by just unlatching the hood. Then there's gonna be these on each side. There's 6 of them total, 3 on this side and 3 on this side. One here, here, and over here. You can take these out with a flathead, or I like using the panel removal tool. This will do it too. Just get underneath it and just pop it. That should come out. So just do that all 6 times and it'll remove your front grille. Now that all of those are removed, it'll just pop right off like this. Then there's 4 clips at the bottom that you'll have to unhook. There's one there, one there, one there, and one all the way underneath there. Next up is removing this clip so that I can remove this bulb. All you have to do is just push this little red tab back, push this black tab down, and it'll remove the clip. On this side, the red tab's gonna be in the back, so I'm gonna take the bulb out first and then remove the tab. Now you can see there's 3 screws here and 2 tabs. Take all 3 of these screws out and remove the tabs, and the turn signal will come out. right, guys, that's gonna be it for me today. Hopefully you liked this video. If you did, make sure to give it a like, comment down below, and subscribe to my channel if you want to keep seeing more Jeep content or 350Z content, and I'll see you in the next one.